to JoJo B. Sing, dance, and learn colors, numbers, ABCs, and more. Buzz into a world of fun where rhymes and giggles never stop. Let's sing and play. JoJo B.
A farm, and on that farm, he had a plan. Today, he declared to a cheerful bluebird, "I will paint my barn the reddest red." He fetched a wobbly ladder and a big bucket of very, very red paint. He dipped his brush in the paint, but as he reached for the first rung of the ladder, his boot caught on the bucket's handle. Whoa there! He wobbled. The bucket tipped, and the paint glugged out in one big, red wave. The red paint landed with a giant splat right on Wiggles the pig, who was sleeping soundly in the sun. Wiggles woke up, saw he was bright red, and thought he had turned into a giant strawberry. Oink! Squealed Wiggles, and he scrambled away as fast as his little legs could carry him. He zoomed right under Bessie the cow, who was peacefully munching on daisies. Bessie had never seen a running strawberry before. She was so startled, she jumped in the air and kicked over her big trough of water. Sploosh! The water from the trough splashed all over Henrietta the hen and her fluffy chicks, who were practicing their pecking. They were suddenly very clean, and very surprised. Cluck cluck cluck, chattered Henrietta. She shook her wet feathers, sending a shower of water droplets flying everywhere. The droplets landed all over Old MacDonald's neatly stacked pile of laundry. Old MacDonald sighed and picked up his wet overalls. But the wet clothes were slippery. They slid right out of his hands and flapped onto his head, covering his eyes. "Goodness me!" he cried, unable to see. Not being able to see, he stumbled backward, right into a wheelbarrow full of freshly picked apples. The wheelbarrow tipped, and apples rolled all over the farmyard. Old MacDonald pulled the overalls off his head. He saw the red pig chasing apples, the surprised cow licking a rolling apple, and the wet hen pecking at another. He wasn't mad, he just sat down and laughed. It was the messiest, silliest, and best day ever on the farm.
Buzz through color, jump and play. Sing and laugh the JoJo way. Learning fun is here to stay. JoJo B.